In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Chroma key inside the CapCut. Here you have to add any one video. After that, you have to click on Add Overlay button. After that, you have to select any green screen video. You can see here, for example. Here, you have to adjust it. Click on the cutout button. Click on Chroma key. From here you have to bring the Chroma key over your green color. After that, click on Intensity. I have to increase this. Here you can see that your green screen has been removed.